My name is Radovan Gasparovic. I'm head of stability and weight, working at Ulstein Design Solutions. Ulstein's main core business, it's of course ship design, shipbuilding, and it's very much innovative company, I would say. So NAPA is used in Ulstein since 90s, a lot earlier than I joined the company. It has been used in Ulstein in mainly two areas, which is the hydrodynamics and or hull making, and of course the stability and or naval architecture calculations. That's the core of the NAPA usage. NAPA has been always on the top when it comes to user experience, the value for our discipline. So it was a quite natural choice, I would say. As NAPA develops, as processes are developing, as the environmental change is changing constantly in a way, and NAPA follows that continuously. And I would say they are sometimes actually a little bit of ahead of the, say, rules and regulations and things like that. And again, that's extremely important for us that they keep the pace together with the industry. These days it's a lot about environment. If you look maybe 20 years ago, it was not that high focus, right? But again, it's good. It's definitely way forward. We can actually see, if we look back now, 20, maybe a little bit more years ago, that the vessels we are doing is significantly better, significantly more efficient, and all that, combined with all the new technologies. And again, NAPA assisting on that. That's amazing. So there was a certain, call it transition, a couple of years ago, where we've been traditionally coming from the offshore business, and then it was decided to go for passenger ships. And at the time, it was a great support to have NAPA, because all of a sudden we should deliver the new things, right? And we went into areas we never been before. But then again, we managed with NAPA nearly as any other project. So that was I would say that was quite an achievement for us. We are using nearly all our tools in nearly all our projects. And that was one of the strategies actually for us, because we want to do the tools. We don't want to make a tool which we can use for one or two projects. And the NAPA system is able to do and build up such a tools on top of the existing environment, which can be used widely in basically all our projects, more or less. So NAPA is more of a toolbox where I wanted to present the way we are using NAPA. But that's not, of course, the only way, because as long as you have a toolbox, then it's up to the user to find their own ways of solving their daily challenges. I believe that is a good motivation for others to look into these tools, to dive into it, because there is a lot there. Flexibility, versatile, agile approach. Those are, I would say, the key words. Most important, the tool for us is the probabilistic damage stability manager. It's used daily. We haven't developed our own tool for it. It's a very important part of our toolbox, and definitely you can see also it's presented on every user meeting, also constantly improved as well. So it's a very important part of our work. NAPA is a Swiss knife. It's simply versatile, and that reflects the way we need to work.